Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to cover the on sale product block from Woocommerce. It's a simple, easy to use block to showcase what items you have on sale. So let's dive right in. One of the powerful things about Gutenberg is that you can either put it on a page or a post. So you got to pick a page or a post you like to put this on. I made a page called On Sale Products. And let's get started. All this page has on it right now is a navigation, a cover block with some text in it, and this is where we're going to put the on sale products block. If this is your first time using Gutenberg, you just need to hover in between and you'll get this blue line with a plus. And you click the plus. As you can see, it's already there, but you can search for it and it will show, or hit browse all. Close that out, and you'll see all the blocks you have available to you from plugins and themes. Just scroll all the way down to the bottom and find the on sale products block. And there you go. Our block is added. Now let's go ahead and close this, give ourselves some more room. There's two places where controls are in Gutenberg. There's one above here which can control how wide you want your block to get. And this can vary between blocks. There could be more or less controls, but the majority of the controls for a block are over here on your right hand side. The first control you'll see is the styles. Now that will vary between plugins and themes, so we're going to cover that last. The first control we're going to go over is the layout. Now, pretty self-explanatory. If you increase the columns, you'll see more columns. Now I'm going to bring it back down to 3. If you increase the rows, you'll see up to 6 rows. I don't have that many products on sale, so it will just max out whatever you have on sale. And we're going to set that to 1. And right here, this will align the button or the last block to the bottom. As you can see, it all lines up at the bottom. If we add another row in, those will all line up as well. Now the next group of controls is the content controls. Again, these are just simple toggles, so you can remove the image or show the image. Get rid of product rating, if it has any, or the price, or the button. So depending on what you want to show, you can just toggle these on and off and show the parts you'd like. And just under those controls, you can say order by. Now just open the list and you'll see lowest price to highest price, and it will sort them in the way that this describes, high to low. Yeah, you know, any alphabetical. And we're just going to go to newest first. The next control is filter by product category. Now this can be very, very powerful because you can actually show on sale products that are in a specific category. So if you do clothing, it'll show you all the clothing that's on sale. You can even search for categories to show another category that you'd like to show. Phones. And there you go. And up here you can just close out the ones you don't want. And there we go. The next control is filter by stock status. Now again, pretty self-explanatory. If you have it in stock, you can toggle this and it will remove them. Don't know why you want to do that, but you have the ability to if you want. You know, out of stock would be good to toggle so you're not taking orders for something you don't have. And back order. So if you have something on back order and you don't want to show it, you just toggle it on and off. You also have advanced controls, which really you can put a block name and add a class for any additional CSS you'd like to add. Now we're going to scroll all the way back to the top to cover the styles. The theme I made only has 2 styles, and I don't have any other plugins other than Woocommerce installed. There's an all picture, and then there's the button in the center. So now we're going to hit update, go to the front end, and there we go. We have the block all done, showing all the on sale phone cases And that is the on sale products block from Woocommerce. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!